Yeah, Fred, the jury deliberated for about 2 hours this afternoon before the judge sent them home for the day, since they indicated they were not close to reaching a verdict. Before they started their deliberations today, they actually heard from Mark Dial himself, who said he had never fired a gun before that day. Eddie Irizarry's sister and father left court this afternoon anxious and exhausted after the jury went home for the day without reaching a verdict.
We're just hoping that, they really take, their time and they really analyze all the evidence and everything.
Former Philadelphia police officer Mark Dial taking the stand in his criminal trial today, telling the court that when he learned Eddie Irizarry had died, it was one of the worst feelings of my life. Dial shot 27-year-old Irizarry during an August 2023 traffic stop in Kensington. On several occasions during the trial, jurors watched Dial and his partner's police body camera recordings showing the incident. Dial is facing third-degree murder charges, but claims he shot Irizarry in self-defense, saying on the stand about his partner's words that day, "I heard him say, 'Mark, he has a gun.' I screamed I was going to shoot because I wanted him to put it down." Dial says Irizarry ignored his comments to show his hands and that he fired several shots into the closed driver's side window after thinking he saw Irizarry holding a gun. Irizarry did not have a gun, but detectives recovered 2 knives from the car.
That's what you need to say after you shoot an unarmed person. That's where it was born. That's the genesis of this whole business about I thought he had a gun.
Dial's defense attorney asked him if he wanted to shoot, to which Dial responded no. When questioned why he shot, Dial broke down on the stand as he told the court, "I didn't want to get shot in the face."
Shots fired, 100 West Fuller.
The body camera footage was a key piece of evidence the jury watched several times. Irizarry's sister saw it too.
Everybody else is just looking at what's going on, but you're just looking at his face, the way that, you can see that his soul left his body.
Dial's partner testified Monday that he thought he shouted knife before Dial started shooting, but when later questioned by the defense after watching video of the incident, he agreed it sounded like he said gun. The prosecution reiterated his initial testimony during their closing arguments this afternoon, telling jurors Dial ran across the front of the windshield. A reasonable officer would not put himself in that jeopardy if he actually believed Eddie was armed. And jury deliberations continue at 9 a.m. We will be standing by and ready if they reach a verdict tomorrow. Live outside the Criminal Justice Center in Center City, I'm Sheehan, NBC 10 News.